Hello, teachers, and welcome back. This is now part 3. And we've just finished doing our computer part. And we did the questions, we did the answers, we did some dialogue as well. We've got the questions on the left-hand side. As you can see on the board, it's kind of dull. And the reason why it's dull is because if you want to, you can turn those questions into the writing exercise, okay? So that is the reason why I put it there. The questions were written on the board while the kids were reading, and they can then answer them orally. It can be a question and an answer. It can be a dialogue. That's okay. It doesn't really matter. Or it can be the teacher asking comprehension questions. But I wrote them on the board because I can then turn it into a written exercise. However, I've also made it a bit dull because in this particular lesson, I'm not going to use that as a writing exercise. I want to focus in on the poster. And as I said before, there's various terminology, there's various special words for the components of this poster. Do you remember what this one is? Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? It was called the strap line. Good job. This one over here, do you remember? Main image. There we go. Good job. Next one over here. Easy. Title. That's correct. This one over here. A special name we used. Copy. Yeah. Content of the copy. And then the last one. Contact info. Good job. All right. So those are the components. Now, in this particular lesson for these particular kids, I'm going to say, all right, boys and girls, take a look at teacher's poster. And what we're going to do is we're going to just take away that strap line, take away that main image, and take away that information at the bottom. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, boys and girls, look at Teacher Steve. Teacher Steve's going to take an image. So we're going to start off with the main image. Wow, cool. What do you think that is, boys and girls? Teacher, it's arts and crafts. Yes, it's arts and crafts. By looking at the image, we can then get stimulated on how we want to kind of sell this lesson, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move on from the image. I'm going to move on to the title, and I'm going to give this club a name. Oh, it's called Crafty Kids Club. Cool. Okay. Now we've got some kind of alliteration going on. It's kind of exciting. It's kind of happy. And now I want to move on from the title to the strap line. Summer fun. Want to learn arts and crafts together? Okay. So that's my strap line. It's supposed to be very attractive and catch people's attention. And now I'm going to move on to the content and the copy. And I'm going to think, what can I write? Crafty Club is every Friday after school in the hall. We start at 4 p.m. sharp and finish at 5:30 p.m. Email us today. Now I included the word sharp because it means if you're late, you probably won't be allowed into the arts and the Crafty Kids Club. Okay, so that's why I included sharp. And also you as a teacher can extend their knowledge, extend their vocabulary. And that's the reason why I did it there. And then, of course, I'll add in some contact information. So once I've helped the kids understand how to build up their own poster, in my lesson, I'm going to ask them just simply to open up their notebooks. I want them to think of a picture or draw a picture, and then they can build up their poster as they wish. The teacher can guide them on how to do it, and they can go home and finish it, okay? Or they can get a magazine to cut out a picture and do the exact same thing, okay? So that is what I wanted to do in my particular lesson. As I said before, it really is up to you how you want to play it, how advanced your students are, how easy they are with the content. But yeah, that's what I wanted to do. So I hope you enjoyed that one. All right, teachers, thank you so much for watching the full 3 clips of lesson number 4. I hope you learned something. I hope that your kids will have a good time. The only thing for you left to do after have done the poster is to tally up all of your scores and say goodbye to all of the kids. So yeah, thank you very much. That's the end of lesson 4, and I hope to see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye-bye.